Hi friends, it feels really special to sit down and to film this video. If you're new here, welcome to Thrifty Vintage Market, a cozy corner of creativity, thrifted beauty, handmade journals, and now something even deeper. And if you've been here for a while, thank you, truly. Today I want to share why I took a step back, what God has been doing in my heart, next for this channel. Over the last season, I felt a quiet shift happening in my spirit. I've always loved creating junk journals, fabric flips, snippet rolls, vintage pages, but the more I created, the more I found myself reaching for scripture. I wasn't just decorating pages anymore. I was processing scripture, praying through verses, studying more deeply, and I realized I don't just want to create beautiful journals. I want to create journals that lead us closer to Jesus. This channel has always been about heart and home, but now it's becoming more intentionally faith-centered. Forward Thrifty Vintage Market will include Bible study content. I'll do some Bible translation comparisons, some study Bible reviews. I'll share how I take notes in scripture. We'll do some verse mapping tutorials, some chapter breakdowns, and some faith-based reflections. We'll do faith-based junk journaling. We'll have some Bible journaling layouts. We'll do some prayer journals, prayer Bibles. We'll have some scripture-based ephemera packs, some faith tag sets, still vintage, still thrifty, but now rooted in the Word. This isn't a trend shift, it's a heart shift. I felt called to be more open about my faith. Journaling has always helped me process life, but journaling scripture, that has changed me. Slowing down, writing the Word, letting it sit in my spirit. I want this channel to be like a cozy Bible study table, a creative prayer room, a gentle place to grow spiritually, not perfect, not preachy, just real. So here's what's coming. You can probably see there's going to be a name change. The new channel name will be called Bibles and Blessings. I'll still have my Etsy shop by the name of Thrifty Vintage Market, so you can still find all of my stuff there. Some things that are coming, we'll have some full Bible journaling series, study Bible reviews, a look inside my personal faith journal, a beginner's guide to Bible journaling, handmade Bible covers, faith-based junk journaling kits, and scripture printables for your journals. And yes, we'll still thrift, we'll still sew, we'll still create beauty from forgotten things. But now we'll do it with eternal purpose. I would like to know, are you interested in deep Bible study, creative faith journaling, beginner-friendly devotionals, or all of it? Let me know in the comments what you'd love to see first. And if this shift resonates with you, I'd be honored if you subscribed and walked this next season with me. Thank you for being here. Thrifty Vintage Market has always been about finding beauty in what others overlook. And Scripture reminds us God does the same with us. This is a new chapter, a deeper chapter, and I'm so grateful you're part of it. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.